candidate dedicated for love of Manipur will win election, not educated or well-spoken person, asserted Chief Minister Biren. The Chief Minister expressed his confidence that BJP will win the Lok Sabha polls by a substantial margin, said the party will soon announce the candidate for the Inner Manipur parliamentary constituency. The CM stated this on the sidelines of the inspection tour of the ongoing construction of the craft handloom village at Moirang today. PWD Minister Govindas Konthaujang, PHED Minister L. Susindro, MLA L. Ibomcha, and MLA Thongam Santi also took part in the visit. The foundation stone for the construction of Craft Handloom Village was laid by Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually. The Chief Minister also inspected the newly inaugurated open gym at OMBA Nurathil. CM Biren further stated that a few sections of the society acknowledge the contribution of the BJP to quell the prevailing crisis in the state. The voters are aware of what a genuine leader is like, he added.
State government की लेडी को machinery सिंगल में अतोप waging war है करने को लांचों में भी वापस लोगों ने रहे हैं हाथ ताना को भी खुदम ने ना लोग तो मैं ना उतना नहीं emotionally कोई नहीं करा मंगाई तब उसको फोकस ले रहे हैं सुबह तो कोई बात नहीं रहा और ये मैंने फोन में ऐसा होगा तो मैं यहाँ नहीं अपना प्रॉपर तो हुआ है statement करी social media ने कहीं तो बिना देना तो किसी आपको really issues BJP na kayo rin na kang tayo hard one na ay kano gi matatagam sa atin na lito param di kano dile election na mi na kala ko si na Hawaii di basanda di magi qualification ha du da ga na kana di kung da salo di zati jibu ta senga lu shiba adu da leibak sigi marang da leibak sigi marang da senga tabak daw or tawge na kan ba taw ni ga na ha ba mi da bot pinoy